The province of Tawi-tawi of the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao or the BARM region is composed of 0 cities, 11 municipalities, and 203 barangays. The provincial center is the Municipality of Bongao. The province of Tawi-tawi is bordered clockwise from the northeast by the Sulu Sea and Celebes Sea. The 11 municipalities comprising the province of Tawi-tawi are the following. The Municipality of Bongao, which also serves as the capital, is composed of 35 barangays. The Municipality of Languyan is composed of 20 barangays. The Municipality of Mapun is composed of 15 barangays. The Municipality of Panglima Sugala is composed of 17 barangays. The Municipality of Sapa-Sapa is composed of 23 barangays. The Municipality of Sibutu, which is composed of 16 barangays. The Municipality of Simonol, composed of 15 barangays. The Municipality of Sitangkay, composed of 9 barangays. The Municipality of South Obian with 31 barangays. The Municipality of Tandubas with 20 barangays. And the Municipality of Turtle Islands with 2 barangays. Once again, for the province of Tawi-tawi, it is a part of the Mindanao Island Group in the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao or BARM. It is composed of 0 cities, 11 municipalities, and 203 barangays. The provincial center or the provincial capital is the Municipality of Bongao. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.